is Microsoft Entra ID. So basically, Microsoft Entra ID is Microsoft service where we for used for managing the identity access management, which we call as IAM. Means we would enroll the users into our Active Directory, and those users will provide the access. Means they have the functionality to do the single sign-on and master MFA, which means multi-factor authentication, guys. So the Microsoft Entra ID previously called the Azure Active Directory, where and after July, Microsoft feel the concern to, raise this and change the name to Microsoft Entra ID from Azure Active Directory. So basically, the motive was set by Microsoft in July 2023, where the name was Azure Active Directory, and because of that the name changed from Azure Active Directory to Microsoft Entra ID. Now the purpose remains same. However, Microsoft wants to bring the entire family of product of Microsoft Entra ID through which they can do the business and set up the marketplace for Entra ID product. Okay. Now, how we will achieve this goal, how we enroll users in, how we'll bring the two-factor authentication, that we will see by practically in our video. But as if now, you can be rest assured that the Microsoft Entra ID, it's identity access management, where the we can manage those users and I manage the identities and security. So this concept comes with the Microsoft Entra ID, and for which they have given the specific Microsoft Entra ID for the workload, which is workload ID, which we will see for risk protection. Okay, and with this, the security assessment was easy to manage the workloads. Okay, so for this, we will see this one diagram. Like there are additions also in Microsoft Entra ID, where when you need to check the licensing part. So first is the free trial which we are on free trial. So for this, in this free trial license, you can use user manage groups management would be done, and the on premises as users can be synced to the Active Directory or to the cloud environment from single sign on by, and also this SSPR, which is self service password reset. Okay, this we will see in practical. This is in free trial you can achieve. However, for some advanced editions, there are P1 and P2 license also, guys. So for that they will bring the dynamic group we can create, and also self-service group management can be done. Means this thing can be done on user specific level with limited functionality of group management. However, for the P1 they would find administration features. Similarly, for the P2 advanced risk based, the conditional access will be there, privilege identity management, and access governance tools. So since we are in our free plan, so we will discuss the Microsoft Entra ID basics features first, and then we will move to the advanced one. So for this, guys, I will log into my Microsoft admin center by going to admin.microsoft.com, and there you can uh, go to the subscriptions as well as the marketplace. So subscriptions, as we all know that, like we are, since we are on a free trial of 1 month, so we can what all features in marketplace we will get, we can see. But as if now, since we are running on Microsoft Entra ID as a free trial, as I showed you in the diagram, so we will guess the user or group management. We can on-premise users to sync, on-premise sync we can do for the user management as well as single sign-on. So now here it's asking for Microsoft Entra IDC. As with the basic introduction we have already discussed, so it's a marketplace wherein we can run the applications and protect their identities. Okay, now here it's asking for how many users that need license. So in free trial, as we know that there are 24 free licenses, they will be there, and in this Microsoft Entra ID plan, which is a free 30-day trial plan, after that what it will do, it will take from us 525 rupees per user once the trial expires. Okay, so I will go to the checkout quickly, and I will ensure that this Microsoft Entra ID we will the free plan we can achieve, and we will practice it for our understanding like how the Microsoft environment works in free tier architecture. So what all features we will get, we will see here. See, now here it's asking about, see, 25 license we are getting, guys, and it will be 11 September, next 1 month it will be getting it. And the subscription name, the domain name, I have given the specific company ID you can give, or test also you can give. It depends all entirely upon you guys. Okay, so now this trial after that it will be paid, how many license you want. Okay, this you can subscription length, how long would you like to paid subscription to be. So after 1 month, 1 year, it would be cycle, guys. Okay, so and after that pay monthly, billing frequency will be this much, tax will be there. If 1 year will be there, see the 7,000, this much cost will be there. Okay, so for this now, I will ensure that the trial services will end on the 3rd September, because we are not taking any risk, because suppose you forgot after that, then it may happen that automatically it will get deducted from our account. Okay, so but for be on the safe side, we just will practice on the subscription, this free trial part for the Microsoft Entra ID price. So as if now, see, we have successfully done the sign-in process for the Microsoft, enrolling the Microsoft Entra ID. Now he's saying go to users, assign license from the Microsoft Entra ID to the people who need it. Okay, guys. So now the main game starts here. Now what we will do, guys, we will create a user in our Microsoft Entra ID, in our Microsoft Admin Center, and assign them license. Okay, accordingly, and which all license we have. See, Microsoft Entra ID license will we have, and we will be providing them the role-based access. So this we'll discuss in our Entra and in the next video, guys. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos for getting know more about the Microsoft Entra ID, guys. Thank you for watching.